Morning drinks that keep you energized after 50. Welcome back to Health and Fitness University, your destination for expert health, nutrition, and fitness advice that helps you stay strong, smart, and ageless. Today, we're talking about morning drinks, but not just any drinks. We're talking about the energizing, age-defying drinks that fuel your body and mind after 50. If you've ever felt sluggish in the morning or dependent on coffee just to get through the day, this video is for you. Stay with me because I'll show you simple, science-backed drinks that boost energy, digestion, focus, and longevity without sugar crashes or caffeine overload. Morning drinks after 50, natural energy boost. Section 1. Why mornings matter. After 50, your body's metabolism slows down and hydration becomes more important than ever. What you drink in the first hour after waking can determine your energy, mood, and mental sharpness for the rest of the day. Your first drink sets the tone for your cells, your brain, and even your digestion. Skip the sugary lattes and processed juices. Let's rebuild your morning ritual with purpose. Start your morning with purpose. Section 2. Drink number 1. Warm lemon water with a twist. The first energizing drink is warm lemon water with a twist. A simple glass of warm water with freshly squeezed lemon and just a pinch of Himalayan salt helps. Rehydrate your cells, stimulate digestion, alkalize the body, and gently awaken your system. Add a few slices of cucumber or mint for freshness, or a dash of turmeric for anti-inflammatory benefits. It's nature's detox and the perfect way to jumpstart your metabolism. Hydrate, detox. Awaken section. 3. Drink number 2, green tea or matcha. If you need caffeine but want something gentler than coffee, try green tea or matcha. Green tea provides steady energy without the crash. It's packed with antioxidants called catechins that protect your heart and brain. Matcha, on the other hand, gives you focused, calm energy thanks to L-theanine, which reduces stress and improves concentration. So instead of jittery caffeine spikes, you get sustained clarity and focus, ideal for morning workouts or meditation. Energy plus focus equals balance. Section 4. Drink number 3. Protein-rich morning smoothie. You don't need powders or shakes to get protein. Your kitchen already has what you need. Here's a powerful combination. Half a banana, a handful of spinach, a spoon of oats, a scoop of Greek yogurt, almond milk or water, a sprinkle of chia seeds or flaxseed. Blend it and you have a meal in a cup, packed with protein, fiber, and omega-3s. It stabilizes your blood sugar, keeps you full for hours, and fuels your muscles for the day ahead. Protein plus fiber equals lasting energy. Section 5. Drink. Number 4. Herbal infusions. Not all energy comes from caffeine. Herbal teas like ginger, ginseng, or peppermint can stimulate circulation, improve digestion, and reduce inflammation naturally. Ginger tea boosts metabolism and immunity. Ginseng tea increases stamina and mental focus. Peppermint tea calms the stomach and lifts your mood. Rotating these throughout the week gives your body variety and your mornings freshness. Nature's energy, herbal power. Section 6. Drink. Number 5. Vegetable or green juice. Finally, for a vitamin-packed punch, try a homemade green juice with spinach, celery, cucumber, and green apple. It's rich in chlorophyll and antioxidants that clean your blood, energize your body, and hydrate every cell. Avoid store-bought juices with added sugars. Make your own for true vitality. Green juice equals morning vitality. Section 7. Bonus tip. What to avoid. To keep your mornings powerful, avoid sugary cereals, processed juices, energy drinks, and excessive coffee. These drain your energy and trigger mid-morning crashes. Replace them with whole foods and hydration. and your body will thank you. Avoid sugar. Choose strength. Every morning presents an opportunity to reset your energy, mood, and mindset. Start your day with purpose, nourish your body, and move toward longevity, one sip at a time. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe. Please share it with someone over 50 who deserves to start their mornings right. Health and Fitness University, live strong, live long.